Hey, it's Bob from bbtoystore.com, bringing you a new release Funko review video. Today we have the complete set of Funko Mystery Minis for Birds of Prey. There are 12 to the complete set, with 5 of them being Harley Quinn. We have opened a couple displays to get one of each to show you. Before we get started, I wanted to point out one funny thing that Funko did. Sometimes, to disguise the product so as to not let specific details out too early, they put humorous names on the case. If you notice the case that comes direct from Funko, you can see it's marked Screaming Chickens. Yeah, I really thought that was kind of clever, because normally that would say Birds of Prey. So I figured I'd leave it in the video there and show you. Alright, so let's take a look at the blind boxes and then the individual figures. First, the blind box here. As normal, they come sealed, 1 figure per box. And they are blind boxes, so you don't know what's inside. On the back, it shows you all 12 figures, and it will show you the rarity. 1 out of 6, 1 out of 12, 1 out of 24, 1 out of 36, or even 1 out of 72. That's the odds of getting each figure. Alright, so one issue I can see right away with these is a couple of the Harley Quinns don't stand up real well. So I'm going to start with those first. First, here we have Harley Quinn Roller Derby. This is a 1 out of 6 rarity. Really nice looking figure. Unfortunately, I kept trying to get it to stand up and it just kept kind of toppling over. Aside from that, I really like the figure. See, I kind of got it, and just not wanting to stay. Alright, the next one here I couldn't get to stand either. This is Harley Quinn with Mallet. This is a 1 out of 24 rarity. Excellent detail on these figures. Pretty much what you would expect from Funko. Alright, and right in the middle we have Harley Quinn with caution tape. And this is a 1 out of 6 rarity. I'm trying, but she don't want to stand up too well. So you can kind of get it if you get lucky. Alright, let's move over here to Bernie the Beaver. This is a 1 out of 36 rarity. And next we have Black Canary, 1 out of 6 rarity. And we have Harley Quinn Broken Hearted. This is a 1 out of 24. Next we have Detective Renee Montoya, 1 out of 36. Bruce the Hyena, 1 out of 12. Roman's Giannis, 1 out of 12. The next two are the big ones. These are the hard ones to find. This is Cassandra Cain, one out of 72. So it'll take you about 6 displays to find this one. And next to her, we have Harley Quinn Incognito Disguise. This is the other one out of 72. And finally, we have Huntress, 1 out of 6. And there you go, the complete set of 12 mystery minis for Birds of Prey. I think Funko did a great job with these. They have a lot of detail. The only issue being the fact that a few don't stand up real well, but overall I really like them. I think they really look good. So let us know in the comments which ones are your favorites. And as always, thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for new Funko Pop and toy review videos right here from bbtoystore.com.